Hi, my name is Chris Wade, and I'm a contractor in the city of Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you how to repair a drain flange in a toilet. First thing you want to do is you want to unscrew the two bolts that hold the toilet down to the flange. Once you get it untightened, it pretty much comes off finger tight. Then you just pull the washer off, and there is one on the other side. Once you get the screws undone, you just basically want to lift straight up on the toilet because it's going to be kind of held down a little bit with the wax ring. Once you get that broke loose, just want to lift the toilet, set it to the side. Okay, and once you get the toilet off, you're going to want to remove the wax ring. Anytime you pull a toilet off, you always want to remove your wax ring. And that's just a matter of pulling it up. And disposing it. It's an icky thing to do, but it's got to be done. Once you remove your wax ring, this is your toilet flange. And it's just screwed down right into the floor, and inside is the pipe that takes away everything the toilet flushes down. And it's just held by a couple screws. You just find the screws, unscrew it. Normally there'd be screws in all the holes all the way around, but again, for just practical purposes, we're just setting in a couple. And it just pretty much just pops out. There's really nothing that needs to be repaired on this because once it's broke, and the chances of it actually breaking are very, very slim and none. As it sits, the only way that could actually be broken is if somebody were to jump on the toilet, kick the toilet over, which would pull these and possibly split it. So, but most of the time, it's good to go. But in the case that you need to repair it, it's better just to replace it. These things are only between $5, $7, $8 at your home improvement center. And basically, it's going to have a pipe down here, and you just drop it back inside the pipe. You just want to screw it back in. And again, go ahead and just use all the holes, put screws in it, and once it's cinched down, you're going to want to replace these, pop these back in, and basically these are the bolts that hold the toilet in, and you just want to do the reverse of what you did to take it off. And basically once you get this set back in place, you're going to want to get a new wax ring, drop that in, set your toilet back on the bolts, drop it right back in. Nothing to it.